Introducing the all-new Kia Picanto, where modern design meets compact efficiency. Experience a perfect fusion of style, innovation, and practicality in this urban driving marvel. Experience the innovation firsthand, subscribe and hit like to stay updated on all our latest adventures. Exterior. The Kia Picanto boasts a sleek exterior with bold aerodynamic lines and vibrant accents that turn heads on every corner. Its dynamic LED headlights and contemporary grille create a striking profile that combines functionality with flair. Designed for urban adventures, every curve and detail highlights the vehicle's cutting-edge aesthetics and robust character. Interior. Step into a luxurious cabin that redefines comfort with premium materials and an ultra-modern design. Featuring state-of-the-art technology, smart connectivity, and intuitive controls, the interior hooks you from the first glance with its irresistible allure. Every detail, from the ambient lighting to the ergonomic seating, is crafted to create an immersive driving experience that captivates your senses. Performance. Beneath its stylish exterior, the Kia Picanto delivers a spirited performance with agile handling and efficient power delivery. Its responsive engine and precise suspension offer an exhilarating ride through city streets and winding roads. Engineered for dynamic driving, the Picanto combines fuel efficiency with impressive acceleration to ensure every journey is both exciting and economical. Experience the innovation firsthand, subscribe and hit like to stay updated on all our latest adventures.